move this. Make sure I have some scissors. Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I got a box from Amazon. My mom sent it to me. This is a surprise, so I don't know what's in it. She said she was sending a few crochet related things to me, so I figured I would open it up with you and then do a review of it. So if you like these kind of videos, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do lots of crochet related things, yarn related things, yarn hauls, crochet reviews, tutorials, works in progress, finished objects, things like that, and anything else I can come up with. So let's go ahead and open this box here. Set my scissors in a little box there. So awesome. Let's see. There's two things in this box. Oh, that's so cute. So we have here super cute crochet, 10 super cute projects for animal lovers. So it looks like there's a bunny and a penguin. Up here there's koala, bunny, unicorn, sloth, llama, panda, hedgehog, lamb, pig, and penguin. So this is by Janie Holmes. Learn to crochet with your very own cute critter collection. Detailed instructions and color illustrations included. Cuteness overload. Learn to crochet the 10 projects in this kit, each featuring a critter with its own unique pattern, markings, and personality. Included are all the materials needed to make the portly penguin and cuddly koala. Okay, so a 3.5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, 2 sets of plastic safety eyes, toy stuffing, and 5 colors of yarn to complete both projects. So, okay, so this will be the koala and the penguin. So, trying to see if I can find a bigger picture of the koala, but not really. Janie Holmes pairs her love with all things arts and craft with her background in design. Her crochet models have been featured in numerous books and magazines. That is super cute. It looks like $16.99 US and $22.99 Canadian. I will go ahead and get my mom to send me, or no, I can probably look it up in Amazon, but I will get the link to this kit and the other kit that I'm about to show you and put them in the description below. So this one is Safari Crochet, 12 wild projects to crochet and snuggle. Includes materials to make 2 projects. And this one's by, well, I'm not sure yet. Let's see. Create 12 with step-by-step illustrated instructions. Get ready to experience the wonders of Africa Savannah through amigurumi. I cannot say that word. I guess I need to hear it quite a few times. The popular Japanese style of crochet with hook and yarn in hand bring to life 12 animals using an instruction book with clear step-by-step directions that guide you through each project and some crochet basics. Coupled with more than 100 photos, this kit is meant for novice or expert crafters to stitch up a lot of adorable wildlife. I can't even say that word. Are you game? Animal Planet Safari Crochet contains material needed to make 2 projects, a lion and a warthog. So it looks like we have a ostrich, the warthog, the lion, a zebra, a monkey, not sure which kind of monkey that is yet, a hippo, and a giraffe. And it looks like we have a male and a female lion. There's a crocodile, a water buffalo. It looks like they have 2 different sized zebras, a rhinoceros, an elephant, the warthog, and the giraffe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. So includes 4 colors of yarn, a crochet hook, a large needle, 2 sets of safety eyes, stuffing, and photo-filled instruction book. Katie Galuzzi combined her love of amigurumi. Yeah. So her 3 main interests: animals, great books, and movies. When she's not crocheting, she can be found with a book in her hand, surrounded by her dogs in her home near Buddha. Okay, so we're going to open the super cute crochet first. Just need my scissors. Keep my hands out of the way. Okay, so super cute crochet comes in this nice little box. Oh, it's actually a pretty sturdy little box too. So here are all the patterns in here. Looks like it has sewing information. There's the author, Janie Holmes. Let's see, comes with, it looks like a worsted weight in black and white. This might be, yeah, that's also for light gray, dark gray, and even darker gray. Comes with this little, comes with a little bit of fuzzy eyelash yarn. Can you see that? Yeah, fuzzy eyelash yarn. And then it comes with a 3.25 millimeter crochet hook. And then it looks like a yarn needle here. And then 2 sets of safety eyes, a large and a small. I'm not going to take those out. And then this box opens up here. And oh, it's vacuum packed. So that's the stuffing. It's all vacuum packed closed, which is nice. Won't take up much room. So we're going to go ahead and pack this one back up, and we'll go ahead and open the Animal Safari Crochet. The yarns, see, this one's silky, and these are kind of matte. They don't have much shine to them. So I'm wondering how that's going to work. Maybe this one's for the penguin and this one's for the koala, because penguins are kind of shiny. So this one's a safari crochet. I already went through what's on the box. So let's go through what's in the box. So of course it comes with this nice little book. All the patterns. It comes with, again, ooh, these ones are actually stuck in there. That's kind of nice. It comes with 2 sets of the safety eyes with the bolts on the back, and then 1 yarn needle. It comes with the 3.25 millimeter crochet hook also right here. We have a nice 4-weight brown yarn. This stuff's kind of rough. This one's softer, but here's like a, I guess a yellowish tinted yarn. And it comes with just a little bit of black and a little bit of white. And then underneath is the stuffing. So all of these kits, or these two kits, you can actually purchase at Michael's. What was their SRP? $24.99 US. So I did see them both at Michael's. You can also purchase them on Amazon. I'm trying to think of how much. I think they were a little cheaper on Amazon, but don't quote me on that. So, and then so this one comes with enough materials to make, what did I say? Oh, the lion and the warthog. Okay. So this is for the lion, and this one's for the warthog, as well as the lion's mane. And then you have the tusks and the hair right here for the warthog. Okay. Alright. So can't wait to try that one out. I will go ahead and go back to the super cute crochet. I was able to do the two projects. So here's the koala. It's bright. Let's see if I can get it. Here's the koala, and then here is the penguin. So they worked up really nicely. I guess the only thing that with the patterns, they don't say if you're working in a round or in a row. They don't, it doesn't say to join or to not join. And then it also, trying to think what else it didn't tell me. I'm not sure. Oh, the harder part was making the legs and the arms for this guy. Because they got so small up top that it was really hard to do the stitches that count that they wanted to. But overall, they turned out really cute, I think. I actually started working on another koala in latte cakes yarn, because I had a light gray and I thought it would be super cute. And he's soft. I don't have his legs yet, but he's getting there. He's a little bit bigger, because that's a 5-weight yarn compared to the 4-weight they gave us with this. And this is the shiny yarn, and this is the dull yarn. But they're cute little guys. And then, so I will be working on the lion and the warthog from the Safari Crochet. And we will go ahead and see how well those patterns are written as well. But it's a pretty good kit. It's pretty easy. You can do any of these in any color you want. So you're not really stuck, which is great. So I really want to make this guy, this little sloth, and the, where's the box? And the hedgehog. Let me see if I can find him. Yeah, this guy right there. I really want to make that guy. So hopefully I will have those for you, maybe by the works in progress at least, or a finished object video. Probably not this month, but next month, because today is the 28th and I only got 3 days. So alright, y'all, I hope to see you soon, and I hope you like this tutorial. Definitely give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you later. Bye!